If you are the application administrator for your organization's project online or project server, in this video I will teach you how to remove pollution from your enterprise global file. If you are the app admin for your organization's project online or project server instance, it is entirely possible that you have accidentally polluted the enterprise global file with non-enterprise objects. That could include views like the Gantt chart view or the resource sheet view. Those do not belong in the enterprise global file because those are local views. In this video, I'll teach you how to get rid of pollution in the enterprise global file, so let's get started. If you are a user of Project Online or Microsoft Project Server, the following may happen to you someday. You go to open an enterprise project. It opened fine yesterday, but today you go ahead and open the project, and instead the system displays a warning message. It'll be something like this. There is a report named &Gantt chart in this project which cannot be overwritten. Click OK to rename it or press Cancel to cancel opening the project. What in the world is going on? What did I do to cause this problem? The answer is you did nothing wrong. What happened is your organization's application administrator made a mistake that's causing the error. So here's what you need to do. Click Cancel to close the opening of this project. Then go ahead and grab your application administrator for Project Online or Project Server and show them this video. That's because they are the only person who can solve this problem.
A few moments later.
If you are your organization's application administrator for Project Online or Project Server, here's what you need to do to solve this problem once and for all. Click the File tab in Microsoft Project, then click the Info tab in the Backstage. Then on the Info page, click the Organizer Pick List button and choose Open Enterprise Global on the menu. This will open the Enterprise Global file for editing. Then click File again, click Info again, click the Organizer Pick List button again, and choose Organizer on the menu. This action will open the Organizer dialog. In the lower right corner, notice that I'm seeing all of the views available in the checked out Enterprise Global file. Remember that the Enterprise Global file is your organization's library of custom enterprise views, tables, filters, groups, and the like. So on the right side, I want you to notice here's a whole bunch of custom enterprise views. You can tell just by the way they're named. See the numbering and everything? But down at the bottom, here's trouble. These three views, Gantt chart, resource sheet, and task usage, should not be in the Enterprise Global. They are not enterprise custom views. Instead, they are local or built-in views. They need to go away. But before we do that, however, let me show you what to do. Click the Cancel button. Go back to the regular user interface of Microsoft Project. Make sure that you have an Enterprise custom view displayed as the default view in the Enterprise Global file. Notice I don't. I have the Gantt chart view listed here. That is a mistake. So what I need to do is to choose any custom enterprise view. Just to keep it simple, I'll pick one planning. There, now I've got an enterprise custom view displayed. Then go back to File, Info, Organizer, and choose Organizer again. In the Organizer dialog, what I now need to do is to delete any local or built-in views. In other words, non-enterprise view. Well, that'll be Gantt chart, resource sheet, and task usage. So I'll select all three of them, and I'll choose Delete, and I'll click Yes to all. Then go to the Tables tab and look at the list on the right. You should only see custom enterprise tables in the list. Well, here's a problem. Entry, that doesn't belong. That's used with the built-in Gantt chart view. The usage table, that belongs to the task usage view, so those two need to be deleted. So I'll select entry, delete it, click yes. I'll select usage, click delete, click yes. But then don't forget to do this. Click the resource option to look at any resource tables that are in the Enterprise Global. Here's a problem. The entry table is the table used in the resource sheet view. See, that's the resource entry table, so it needs to be deleted as well. So I'll select it, delete it, click yes. Now at this point, I can safely click the Close button to close the dialog. I can click the Save button in the backstage to save the changes I've made to the Enterprise Global. Now I can also close the Enterprise Global file. I do need to click Yes to check it in. At this point, the problem is almost totally solved. There's one more thing I need to do. I need to exit Microsoft Project completely. And as the application administrator, I need to send an email to every project manager asking them to exit Microsoft Project completely, to relaunch the software, and connect to Project Online or Project Server again. That puts the fire out. Your project managers will no longer see that error dialog when they open enterprise projects. Well, I think you'll have to admit there was nothing obvious about that solution, was there? At least now you know how to clean up your Enterprise Global file so that it only contains items like enterprise views, tables, filters, and groups. As always, I sure hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure and give it a like, subscribe, click the notifications button, and especially if you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.